And now it's time to show my final product in action. So here are the parts I'll be using. I have the light here to provide light for the solar panel that I'll be using here. This light source is really strong, so because I need a lot of light for the solar panel. Here I have the components of the saltwater battery. Here's the air cathode, the magnesium metal, and the linen that I'll be using in between to hold the salt water. This is the salt water that I'll be using. Here's the motor. I put this tape around the motor so that when the motor spins, you'll see it spinning, so it's more clear. And here I have the voltmeter that I'll be using to show you that both the solar panel and saltwater battery separately produce a certain amount of volts. So I'll start off by putting together the saltwater battery. So I'll put the air cathode at the bottom here. I'll place the linen in between. Now I'll get some salt water and put 5 drops, one in each corner and one in the middle. Let it stick to the air cathode. Now I'll place the magnesium on top. And just so we see that this is actually producing a certain amount of volts, I'll plug this into the voltmeter, which is currently reading 0. And you'll see that this by itself produces about 2.7 volts right there. So now I'll show you that under this light, this solar panel produces about 12.6 volts. So now we'll have to connect them both together to power this motor. So we'll have the red wire going to the red wire. And I'll have this black coming onto the saltwater battery. And this black also onto the saltwater battery. And we'll see that the motor actually runs. Now the motor right now is running on both the solar panel and the saltwater battery at the same time.